Hello and thank you for purchasing a Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor. My name is Mark and I'm the CEO for Ladyship in Australia and New Zealand. Ladyship electrical products, and in particular the Ladyship Organic Essence Extractors, are high quality, high performance products that make life easier in the kitchen without burning a hole in your pocket. The Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor is our first model to enter the Australian and New Zealand market and has been received extremely well, with some 35% of our sales coming as a direct result of word of mouth. At Ladyship Australia, we are committed to high levels of customer friendly service. We also have a strong commitment to health and well-being, and we see the Organic Essence Extractors as the main tool in your toolkit for creating high levels of extraordinary health. We offer the DVD as a tool in your educational toolkit, which we hope will quickly instill confidence, skill and creativity when you're using your LS658 Organic Essence Extractor. Our suggestion is to watch the DVD more than once. The first time, watch it from the comfort of your lounge chair, and then after that, use it as a tool in conjunction with the recipe book providers. Also, if you haven't done so, we recommend you complete your warranty card and return it to us. Or you can go online to our website, and the website is www.ladyship.com.au and complete the online warranty form. If you have any questions at all about how to use your Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor, or you would like to host an in-home demonstration with one of our consultants, pick up the phone and call us. The phone number is 1300 787 088, or you can email us, and the email address is info@ladyship.com.au. You may even wish to share a recipe or share your experience so far. Either way, we would love to hear from you. Enjoy the DVD, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. Hello and welcome back. My name is Mark Shepherd, and I'm here to assist you in getting to know your Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor. The Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor is a high performance, high quality, multi-purpose kitchen appliance which blends, juices, macerates and chops, grinds, mills and much more. The LS658 is powered by a powerful 600 watt motor, delivering 16,000 RPM of torque at the blade. Safety testing and certification has been achieved for both Australia and New Zealand, and also includes international CE and CB approval. Okay, so now let's take a look at the features of the Ladyship LS658 Organic Essence Extractor. Starting from the top and working our way down, the first feature is the patented vented cap. This allows for pressure build-up to be released when using hot liquids, and is a wonderful feature for preventing the top exploding. So that is the first feature. The second feature, which is also unique to Ladyship, is the super-sized disc funnel. We use this for when we have large quantities of cut ingredients, such as when we do our watermelon juice, and is a handy feature to have in any kitchen appliance. Thirdly, safety is one of the huge and important things that Ladyship have included in their machines, and in particular is the safety lock on the lid. This prevents the machine from actually working until you lock the lid. So very, very important, especially when you have children around who may wish to copy what you're doing. So let's take a look at the jar and the features that are in this jar. Firstly, it's a 1.5 litre jar, so it's got plenty of room to hold all your fruits and veggies when you're processing. Secondly, it's high temperature resistance. It'll handle 125 degrees C of temperature. So if you're using hot liquids, no problem at all. Also, it's high break tolerance. So if you accidentally drop the jar, there's really not much chance you're going to damage it. Inside the jar, you can see a 6-point stainless steel, and it's surgical stainless steel blade. This makes processing your fruits and your veggies very, very simple and very, very quick. It's a feature that is found on all the Ladyship food essence extractors. You can see the tap on the side of the jar. That works in conjunction with the filters, which we're going to talk about shortly. And on the bottom of the jar, you can see a sacrificial socket. So if food does jam in the jar while you're processing, the socket will sacrifice first and you won't burn the motor out in the jar. Okay, so now let's take a look at the filters. And the filters in the Ladyship machine are really what make the difference. They're the major difference with a Ladyship compared to other machines that are similar. And they're a patented feature. The first filter is what we call our number 3 filter. It's a coarse filter, and it's what we use for when we process soup, when we're making paste and so on. Our watermelon juice, we use the number 3 filter. The second filter is the number 1 filter, and we use this when we do things like almond milk, soya milk, when we're doing our juicing and so on. And we'll show you more how this works soon. Okay, so let's take a look at the button control on the LS658. So it's a very simple and easy machine to use. There are only 4 buttons to actually use. There's the off button, the on, the pulse, and the auto function. Let's talk about the auto function first. So the way the auto function works is very simple. It comes on for 30 seconds and will pulse through a cycle, followed by a full 30 seconds of on. This removes the need for a tamper tool and also frees you to move about the kitchen and do other things as well. The on function is very simple. It's designed to run at full on for 60 seconds without having to do anything else. And once again, it frees you to move about the kitchen. Pulse we use when we're doing things like crushed ice, or we want to make our nut butters and so on. So very, very simple. So one of the things I want to reiterate is the safety aspect of Ladyship. Firstly, in the top of the base is a safety switch which will only activate once you locate the jar. And secondly, we talked about the safety arm on the jar lid before. This is actually where the second safety switch is on the LS658. So let's have a look and I'll show you how this double safety switch works. Remember we talked about the safety arm on the lid before? Well, this activates or arms the LS658. By locking it, we arm the machine, the light comes on, it's ready to use. By unlocking it, it's unarmed and it is now safe. No one can use it. So if you have children around, this is one of the biggest safety features of Ladyship. Locked, armed, light on. Okay, one last feature that is on all the Ladyship machines, the LS658 is also fitted with a safety reset button. So if you overuse the machine or you have a power surge, the button will pop and you wait for it to cool down or the power to reset, push the button in and you can go again. Overall, the multifunctionality of the LS658 gives the user excellent value for money, and cleaning is simple, quick and easy. Parts are cost effective and easily replaced. If you have any questions at all about how to use your Ladyship LS658, please pick up the phone and call us. The phone number is 1300 787 088, or you can email us, and the email address is info@ladyship.com.au. Now, allow me to show you how to use the Ladyship LS658 to create some of our wonderful recipes from our recipe book.